Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as a gummy bear on Dress to Impress. So you are going to need the fur coat, and you're going to choose any color you want for the gummy bear. I just chose this like blue purplish color. Then we're going to add the silk, I guess like material to it. I'm like having a hard time finding the words. I am going to use VIP, but you can kind of layer it to whatever color you want. I'm obviously going to use this one, and I'll do the no corset, and I'm just going to color it all the same. I might just choose the metallic one instead because it is more shiny than the silk. I am going to use this hat here in metallic. Then I'm just going to layer some bits and pieces on. I think I might actually use these pants from Codes in metallic. Then for the shoes, I'm just going to use these in metallic and in the same color. Again, how you style them is pretty like optional, I guess. And then I'm just going to carry another like bear with me here. I'm just going to do the huge bear, and then I'm going to color it like a different gummy bear color, maybe like a green one. I don't know like what, maybe like this color, yeah. I'm just going to color everything that same metallic green shade. And that is how you can dress up as a gummy bear. Super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.